Good morning, people. I just woke up and let the dog out because that's the way she do. She come and knock at the door because she want to go out. Now I put her out. Now she want to come back in. Let's put her back in. There she is. What's your problem? Huh? You're a pain. Come on. Okay. Now I gotta get me my coffee. I gotta have my coffee in the morning. So put some light on here so I could see. Oh, we gotta. Here's my coffee cup. Let me go in the back here. And the water dispenser right here. Right. Like I told you guys yesterday, I drink coffee black. Folgers. Well, to tell you the truth, I drink any kind of coffee. As long as it's coffee. I'll take my spoon is wet, but that's all right. I'll take this is more or less what I drink. This. Good, yeah. All right. Folks, it's Monday the 18th. Monday is March the 18th. So I'm going on the computer right now to get my news, see what happened for today, what happened last night and yesterday. So it's get darker. Let me open the curtain and see what. So we look outside. It's gonna be sunny today. Okay. Let me go and see what's going on. See my next dog here, Wednesday. She don't give no kind of trouble. She come lay in her bed and look at you and want to eat all day. If you feed this dog, she would eat all day. Okay guys, I'm in front of my computer, putting on to see what is going on. I get up a little bit late this morning. I woke up this morning maybe around 4:30, and when I wake up that time, it's hard for me to go back to sleep. So I forced myself to go back to sleep, and then when I wake up again, it was 6 o'clock. My usually hours is like 5 o'clock, but I guess I get an hour extra sleep, you know. So, I already used myself to get up early, and I just can't get out of that. When I used to go work and all that, I used to have to get to work for 7, and I got to drive maybe like 20 miles from where I live. So I would get up maybe about 5, make me some lunch and stuff, and you know, drink some coffee, have a slight breakfast, maybe fry an egg and piece of sausage or something, and then I go to work. And once you get used to that, it's hard to stay in bed late. I can't do that. My wife, she would stay in bed maybe till about 9, but I tell you what, she go to bed late because she stay up till maybe 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, editing and all that kind of stuff. So I don't give her around. I stay in bed. She don't have nothing else to do. Just get up and, because she don't have to tend to me, I tend to myself. I don't worry about those kind of things to make my wife get up and, oh, you fix this for me and fix. No, I don't do that. When I used to go to work, I get up, make my own breakfast, do what I got to do, and hit the road. I go and say, well, baby, I'm leaving. Kiss her, then I go. And, I don't like some other man would make their wife get out of bed and, oh, you fix me my breakfast or my lunch because you're the wife. No, I don't do that. The way I look at it, folks, when you're married to someone and live with someone, you're your partner. I mean, you're a joint partner. You guys do things together, help one another. That's what it's all about, So, I don't know. Everybody think different, but I don't do that kind of thing. I get up, I tell you what, I like how I'm not working and retiring and all that stuff. I'm the one that mostly do the cooking in here. It don't bother me. I like to do it. My wife will cook, like mostly when she would cook, like when she doing something for the show and that, like that. But otherwise, no, it's okay. Oh, okay. Let me see what I got on the news. Let's see if I'm going to get upset this morning. I don't make this upset me, because if you make the kind of thing upset you, you're going to always be upset. I watch the news and I know what's going on. I get common sense to know right from wrong, but a lot of people don't have common sense. That's the problem. That's what you gotta have. Like people say, if you don't have common sense, you better go to school and learn something, because, okay, let's see what I'm gonna look at today. Let's go mess with me. I like to watch boxing, and see who is the next fight, who gonna be fighting next, and all that kind of shit. That's the only sport that I more or less I would watch. I'm not really into basketball, football, and all that kind of stuff. I mean, if somebody invite me to go to a game and stuff, I'll go and I enjoy it. But it wasn't just, it's not my thing to, when that is on, I stick in front of the TV and I don't want nobody to make no noise. I don't want to. Some man will tell their wife, oh, you better go out. You go with your friend somewhere, because don't bother me. My game is on. I ain't do that. That's me. That's not me. Yeah, look at Mike Tyson. He want to fight again. Then he gonna fight this young kid, Jake Paul. Maybe he might win. Who knows? But I don't know. All these old men in boxing and fooling themselves, they think they could get back and do the same thing they used to do when they were young. You can't do that. You got it inside. Oh, it's just like me. Sometimes I think I could do the same thing when I used to young, but that's not true. You got the feeling, but the body is not there. Yeah, folks. Yeah, that's what it is this morning. I'm just getting my coffee and start the day and see what I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do. Maybe I got. Oh, remember I told you guys that I'm cutting down all my fruit trees that don't produce no fruit. Well, what I did, I remember I showed you guys I cut down the tangerine tree, and then yesterday I cut down the avocado tree. So I'm out of an avocado tree, a tangerine tree. All I got is orange tree and a lemon tree, and yeah. Oh, and grapefruit. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start to look for avocado tree. The other day I went to Home Depot and I saw one for about $35. It already have blossom on it, so I'm gonna look for another one and plant it. You don't have to be big, and once in a couple of like 2-3 years it started bearing. That's okay because I really don't eat avocado that much. Just have them because when I go to Costco, I'll buy the little bag of avocado. Maybe got maybe like 6 in there, and if I don't watch it, it spoils. So I don't eat avocado that much. People, so that's what's going on.
How come you tell your people I get up at 9 o'clock?
Because 9 o'clock is early. You usually get,
Stop lying.
you usually get up at 11.
No. I get up around 7:30. 7:30.
Sometime.
Most of the time. I can't sleep till 9 because then everything starts hurting.
That's true. That's true.
Mm-hmm. So you taped some good segments this morning?
I guess so. I'll try.
I have to go edit.
I'm going to go edit and see what's good from what is not good.
What's with the sunglasses inside the house?
I don't know. I think I started my every light started to get to me.
Oh, you're having a migraine.
Yeah, and then every time my sinuses act up.
So I guess we can go walk today. It's a nice sunny day.
Yeah, we could. It's getting better already.
Okay.
I really went outside and sun like a lizard, so I'm good.
All right. So tomorrow, next segment tomorrow?
Tomorrow, next segment. Don't know what it's going to be. Bye-bye.